Hey everyone, this is Alessandro Bruxel for Home Chef Seattle, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a chicken and Spaetzle noodle soup. I hope you enjoy it. Let's get started. We're going to start by dicing 1 yellow onion. Then we're going to chop 2 stalks of celery into small pieces, 2 carrots, 1 large or 2 small golden potatoes. Peel it and then cut it into cubes. Finely chop 4 cloves of garlic. We're also going to be using 2 split chicken breasts, about 1.5 pounds. Cut it into cubes. In a large pan, add a good drizzle of olive oil. Then add the onions and saute until they start to get translucent. Then add the celery, the garlic, and a 1-inch piece of fresh grated ginger. Saute for a minute or so until the garlic and ginger are fragrant. Then add the potatoes and carrots. Next, add the chicken. Season with salt, fresh ground black pepper, and a half teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Add 2 bay leaves, the leaves of 2 sprigs of thyme, and 1 sprig of sage. Once the chicken gets a nice sear, add 8 cups of chicken broth. Bring it to a boil, then lower the heat and let it simmer. While the soup cooks, let's work on the Spaetzle batter. We're going to be using 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. Add the flour to a large bowl. Then make a well in the center and add 3 large eggs, half teaspoon of salt, and half cup of milk. Whisk the eggs and milk until well combined. Then start to incorporate the flour. Mix everything until you have a nice and smooth batter. Check on the vegetables. Once the potatoes and carrots have reached the desired tenderness, we can start to add the Spaetzle. You can also taste the broth and adjust the seasoning if needed. If you have a Spaetzle maker, you can use it. But something that works great and everybody has is a pasta strainer. Transfer the batter into the pasta strainer and, using a soft spatula, press the batter through the holes so it falls inside the soup. The Spaetzle cooks very fast once it hits the hot broth. Once you're done straining all of the batter, the soup is ready. I am serving the soup today inside of a sourdough bread bowl and finishing it up with some chopped parsley. Please let me know in the comments below where you're watching the video from. And now it is time to eat. I hope you have enjoyed the recipe. Please don't forget to like it, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more recipes to come. Thank you for watching.